Hey there, this is Sam from GHL SaasKits, and in this video I'm going to give you a quick overview of our analytics software called Analytics for GHL SaasKits. Okay, so by using this software you can set up your analytics. Let me go to the dashboard. Okay, so inside the dashboard you will see this type of overview, like the visitors, the page views. Okay, and also you can check by the domain you added. Okay, so if I show you the last 7 days statistics for this domain, okay, then you can see here for last 7 days we got 278 visitors and 300 page views. Okay, and also you can see which pages are visitor visited. Okay, and then what is the referrals, or the source of the traffic, and you can also see the countries from visitor came to our website, and also the browsers, the operating system they used. Okay, so this actually a very small and very effective data driven software. Okay, it will help you to decide the data, get the data driven decision for your business. Okay, and you can also check the geographics, okay, and also the behavior of your visitors, okay, with this software. Okay, and also it's pretty easy to set up. Okay, let me show you. Okay, so all you just need to add your website link. Okay, once you put your website link here, and you can make this public or private or password protected. Okay, as you wish, and also you can set up the notification. And then once all setup done, then you will just need to copy this code snippet. Okay, here just click here and then put this code into the head section of your website. Okay, so if you are using GoHighLevel, then you can set up the code into the head section of your website. Okay, so that's it for our analytics software. Okay, hope you get the idea how actually it works. So you will get this software, okay, when you buy our combo package of GHL SaasKits. Okay, all access pass. You will get this software for free. Okay, so that's it for this video. Have a nice day.